Hey everybody, I have had a few questions about how to get photographs into a Word document. So I will just tell you that I have downloaded Microsoft Word onto my computer, which you can do too. And if you need help with that, I can help you find the button, but you just have to go onto your 365 account and it says Install Office. And you download it right on your computer. You can do that for free and on up to 5 devices. So if you have like a desktop and a laptop and an iPad and your phone, you can do it on all of those devices. You can have Microsoft Office downloaded onto your hard drive. So I did that because it's easier to use on my hard drive. It just is. It's just kind of wonky in the cloud. Now, if you're more comfortable doing it in the cloud, that is fine. But I'm going to just model to you what I know, and that is the downloaded version. So I am not sure, and I can try it if we have time. I only have 15 minutes on this Screencast-O-Matic, so if we have time, I'll try it on my iCloud too. But I'm going to model to you how to do this. So I would have already taken pictures of my test. In the test today, you were supposed to take pictures of your annotations. And, this can be for any assignment as well. So I've taken my pictures of my annotation, and then I got them onto my desktop. That is how I do this, is I do it from my desktop. Now, if you are better at using photos than me, maybe you can do it right from your photos, wherever your photos are stored. But for me, the desktop is the easiest. So I'm going to pretend that they're on my desktop, and here's my my Word document. So it's not saved, but maybe this is a direction. Please paste your photos below, right? And these are for annotations or for whatever photos I ask you to make. Sometimes I might ask you to take a photo of something else. Probably not, but maybe. Any photos that I ask you to take, it is best to put them into a Word document because then it's easier for me to read. Okay? And I'm grading you, so you really want me to have an easy time reading. So what I did is I would put it on my desktop, and then I'd take a screenshot, and all of my screenshots are on my desktop. So that's probably what I would do, is I would take a picture with my camera and I'd move it onto my desktop, and then I would find it. So here's my desktop, and these are all of my screenshots. You can see screenshot, right? You can see that. And then let's just say all of these are screenshots. I know I have a ton. I have not gone through them for a while. So up here, I might have some actual pictures. So here we go. Here's the one that's on my, on the D2L page. It's my dog and I. Okay, so let's just do that. So I would just take it and I would drag it. And do you see that green plus sign? And there it is, right? And it's huge. You might not need it that big. So then you just click on it and you see these little squares that happen. Then you can make it smaller. Okay? And you can see that it landed in the middle of a word, right? And maybe I don't want it in the middle of the word, so then you just move it over and there it is. And then maybe I would put the cursor there and return, and then I'd go back up here, and do I have another picture? Let's see. Maybe I have one in my family thing. I'll do that's not it. I'll do it with my mother-in-law and my children. Okay? When they were little. So there's another picture, right? And so you just drag them in and drop them. And then if they are, let's pretend that this one, when I dropped it in here, it was sideways. Well, then you just take this little thing right here where there's an arrow, and you can move it this way, or you can move it this way if it's upside down, right? Oh, that's crooked. There. Or if I want it right side up again, you just twirl it around. That's it. So it's not hard to just drop them right into the Word document. Okay, so that is not online, that is on my computer. So now let's go online. So I'm gonna go here. I have to make sure, yep, okay. So I'm gonna go to my 365 account. I'm just gonna use this one. And I know that part of this is off the screen right now, but I can't change that right now, so hold on. Take me to Office 365. Okay, here we are. I'm going to get this all in the thing here if I can. There we go. There we are. This is the place where you can install Office, right? Includes Outlook, Online, OneDrive for Business, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more. All you do is click on that and it installs it, and just follow the directions. All right, so here's the Word. I'm going to do a new blank document. And then, you know, the directions might be right? All right, so I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to try and find here's my desktop. And I started with Franklin and me, so we'll try that and see if it works. And it did. It worked. I don't know why it's, oh, it's not. Okay. Interesting. So, oh. I don't know. Weird. So I'm going to try that again. We're just going to try and figure it out. So now I'm going to go here to insert. And I'm going to insert a picture. So photo below. Now I'm going to insert a picture. And from this device. And now I have to browse. Okay, so here are my screenshots, and see it says yesterday, previous 7 days, so it's in a different order, so I have to, you know, okay, here, Franklin and me, this is the one. So you might want to name your photo, right? Open, insert, let's see if it works. Just thinking. It looks like it's going to work though, doesn't it? Maybe. Oh. I'm hoping we don't run out of time before it stops thinking. There we go. There it is. So it takes a little bit more time, but there's the picture, right? And then I would just do the same thing as I would go down a little bit, and then I would go back up to insert, picture, this device, browse, and I don't remember what I did, so I have to go back down here. And I believe I was in family, right? So I have to find my folder. There it is. And I did my mother-in-law, right? And so open, insert. And there it is. Okay, so this is online. This is the online version. And this was on my desktop. Okay, So if you have questions, you can email me or whatever, but you should be able to get your pictures into a Word document just like that. I hope that helps.